Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our life in the Philippines. I was going to put out a video. I promised that yesterday regarding the bike repair we're going through. I mean, this channel is all about our life in the Philippines, and you know, we're trying to document a little bit of our life and what we're doing and what's happening, and a lot of those things. So yesterday I had some personal things I had to take care of, and therefore I did not get enough time to sit down and finish the edit of it. However, I'm going to try to do that later on today. I want to talk about a couple of new things that we are going to do. We have been getting a lot of requests from especially Filipinos living overseas, overseas workers, Filipinos that might want to come back at some point in their life and want to invest, buy a home and that kind of thing here back home in Philippines. And the request has been in such that can you show us this community, can you show this, can you show that, and we're going to try to be as informative as possible, trying to accommodate all of you. So these videos that we are going to put out a series of will be for those who might want to return home, but also for those foreigners who might have a Filipino girlfriend, Filipino wife that wants to do a smaller real estate investment. And we're just going to document. We're not a sales agent. We are not licensed to sell, but we're licensed to show you what's out there. And in most of our videos, we are going to, if not all of them, we're going to try to put out some information regarding the community that we filmed for that day. Contact, how you can get in touch with people, how you can get in touch with agents, and you know, ask questions. You can also ask us questions, and we can forward those to the agents, and we can forward your contact information to agents. If you'd rather come through us, we can do that as well. So today we are going to start that. We are going to go out this afternoon and film a little bit in some of the communities here, and we're going to do one community up in the Severa area. However, it's not the Severa community. We covered that a couple of weeks ago. I will put up a link in the information up here in this corner, and we will try to create a playlist. So and gather all these videos that has the same content or similar content, different communities. We're going to put them up in one playlist, so you can get that. So if you are interested in this, come back over time, and if you subscribe to our channel, hit the subscribe button down here. And subscribe, and you will be updated every time we send out a video to this regard. So take a chance to do it, and feel free to share it, like it. Also, what we have been talking about lately, we do get a lot of comments. We get quite a bit of thumbs up, and we occasionally get a thumbs down. If you're one of those that likes to give a thumbs down, we don't mind that because that just teaches us how to get better. However, when you do it, we would like for you to give us a little comment, be civil about it. Positive criticism is something that we take seriously, and make changes accordingly to what we need to do that. So when you hit that thumbs down button, also take your time, if you don't mind, take your time and write us a little comment and express to us why you didn't like the content. Was it not your cup of tea as far as content, or whatever the reason is. And we will get back to you, and we will try to do our best to make all these videos up to par for most of our viewers. We also realize that we can't with one video, when you start having a few hundred and thousand subscribers, we also realize that we can't cover everybody in every single video, and therefore we like to have different content. I do some motor vlogs, I do some travel, I do some informational videos. Haven't done very many advice videos, but I have a couple of them, and especially around the cost of living here in Philippines. And you'll be welcome to watch that video. I'll slap another one up here in the information section on this video, and you can take a look at that as well. For now, this is a short little video. We're going to go out and get on the road and film today, and the motorcycle repair will come sometimes tonight or first thing in the morning tomorrow. God bless. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share and like. If you're a Filipino, let's talk about the sharing a little bit. If you're a Filipino and you know you have friends, there's a lot, I mean, there's literally millions of overseas Filipinos working overseas. So share this video with them, and we will try to start providing the information about places to possibly invest in and give you as much information as we can. God bless. Thank you for watching again. Bye-bye.